Okay, everybody there looking 1, 2, 3.
She won an All Ireland for her school here. She's very proud of.
Hello, how are you? Oh, you look like sports people fit as well.
St. Vincent's, Luther on the Heron, Michael D. Higgins, and his wife.
The same old game, the game that you made.
Had an opportunity of visiting the different classrooms, including the physics room, the French room, the Irish language room, and geography room. In my time, we